Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a reveal video. It is that time again. It is holiday season and I wanted to bring you guys something really special. It comes from the heart. This is literally from me, from the Dominique Cosmetics team to you. I know you're gonna love it. We are talking about the holiday collection that we have. It's sweater weather inspired and it's so cute. It's our first ever mini collection and I am so obsessed with it. I'm wearing it all over my face right now. This was inspired by cozy, soft, and pretty vibes for the holidays. When you're with your family, you want to chill by the fireplace, drinking hot cocoa, you're in your leggings, your fuzzy socks, your messy bun, and a big comfy sweater next to your mom, chilling with your sister, your brother, your family, and your friends. I wanted this collection to embody all of those things, and I wanted you guys to just feel all of the vibes. Everything in this collection is really easy to use, very natural, soft, and pretty. But then there's some of us out there that want a little bit of a smoky eye during the holidays with the fam. I still want to look snatched in pictures. So I have every color for you in this palette. It's a mix of pink, mauves, neutrals, and purples in here, and they're all matte, so you can create really beautiful dimension in your eye, very soft, pretty looks, or dramatic ones. You are gonna love, 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 love this palette. It also comes with two lippies right here, one matte lip, this is Cozy, and then one gloss, this is Sugar and Spice, and they are just so perfect. They go so well with everything in this palette. They look great on all skin tones, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it out. These two lips just complement every look that you're gonna create with this palette. From a neutral, soft, and pretty look to a fun pop of color that's very festive, or a very dramatic, bold, holiday look. I have everything you need here, and it's only $29. So if you're somebody who hasn't tried Dominique Cosmetics and you're curious about it, this is the perfect collection for you guys to get introduced to the brand if you're new. We have beautiful creamy pigmented mattes, our lip, and our gloss, the scents, and this is a great gift for a friend or family member. It's a great stocking stuffer. So cute. It's just like you don't want to let it go. I don't know if they're gonna want to let the packaging go because it's so cute. I have everything on the back for you guys, a swatch of the lip, the gloss, and then these are the shades in the palette. And then on the back are all the ingredients, our handles. You will really get to feel, touch, apply, smell. All the senses are touched with this palette. There is even a raised texture here, so you can really feel the texture of the sweater on the palette. The back is matte. I'm so excited, you guys. This collection launches October 11th at 10 a.m. PST, so mark your calendars, put your alarm on, be ready for when this drops in your lap because your eyes are gonna feel very left out if you don't. And your lips. I'm gonna get straight into the tutorial now, share with you how everything looks, how it swatches, how it blends and applies. So let's get into it. I'm really excited. Thank you guys for another amazing year. This is our last collection of 2019 and just, I can't believe I'm saying that. This year has gone by so fast. I love you guys so much. Thank you for making everything that we've done possible. All because of your love and support, we're able to do this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you're ready to get into this tutorial, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into the sweater weather vibes. I have my hair pulled back. I'm so ready to get into this collection. Before I get into the tutorial, I just want to talk to you guys about what we have here. We have a mini, the first ever mini Dominique Cosmetics palette, and isn't it so freaking cute? It's a cozy sweater weather kind of a theme. Then you have this really pretty metallic, almost metal looking sign right here. It looks like something that would be on a purse mixed with the sweater. I just wanted it to look like the coziest luxe little gift that you could ever receive from your friend, your family. I know everybody's gonna love this collection. It's so easy to use too. We have 6 matte shades in here, taupes, mauves, purples, ultra wearable colors, and I just am so obsessed with it. It even has a little tiny mini mirror so you can see your eyes perfectly in the mirror when you're doing your eyeshadow. So in the palette, the first color we have is Sweater Weather. It's a cool tone taupe shade, and it's the perfect shade for the crease or all over the lid. It just gives you a really natural, nice definition in your crease. So this is great for contouring as well, depending on your skin tone, but I love this for the crease and just all over as a nice wash and starter to your eye makeup. The second color we have in the palette is Fuzzy, and Fuzzy is a really pretty pale pink. This is just such a pretty holiday color. I see this on the inner corner, on the brow bone, all over the lid. It really brightens the eye area, and having that pink tone to it just makes your eyes look so pretty, so soft and bright. Love this pink. The next color that we have next to it is Toasty, and Toasty is just a beautiful caramel. I don't know, comment below which one do you say. This is such a beautiful caramel color. I think all of us are gonna love this color for the crease. It's a warm yellow brown, and you can wear this all over, wash it on, even start off with sweater weather and then go in with Toasty right underneath it. Ooh, you are gonna turn heads. The dimension on your eye is just gonna pop. It's gonna look like a celebrity did your makeup. So these two colors together for the crease are my favorite. The next color we have is Cuddle, and it's a rose mauve color that I like to put on the lid. You can wear it anywhere, crease, lid, it's matte. So all these shades you can wear anywhere you want them, and you're gonna get a beautiful multi-dimensional look. The next color we have is Chill, and Chill is a deep lavender. I've never seen a color like this, and I'm obsessed with this color. Definitely one of my favorite colors in the palette, other than the one that we're about to talk about. But this is that beautiful holiday pop without being green and red and orange and brown. I wanted it to just look like a pretty festive, soft look overall. And I think we did an amazing job at doing that with this palette. The last color we have is Messy Bun. And Messy Bun is gonna be my hair when I'm eating all the food with my family. This is a deep plum brown that you need on your outer V, like right now. You can even do an all over smoky eye look. I actually did a photo shoot with my entire Dominique Cosmetics team. All of us girls came together and I had the purple look. Sabrina had Messy Bun, and she is literally the definition of messy bun. She wears it every single day. And Messy Bun is great as a dramatic crease color. We all did a different look using these shades in the palette, and everybody looks so amazing. If you want to check out the photos from the photo shoot, you can go to Dominique Cosmetics Instagram and we'll be posting them there. It was so fun, and it was really special because these are my girls, these are my family, this is my Dominique Cosmetics team, and they mean so much to me. I love them with all my heart. So yeah, now that we have explained and swatched all the shades, let's get into a look, because this palette is going to give you an LEWK for the holiday. I should be a rapper. Just kidding. So I'm gonna start off with the eyes and then I'll go into the lips. So for the first color, I'm gonna take Sweater Weather because that is no explanation needed. That needs to be in my crease. And I'm just gonna go lightly in circular motions into the crease. You see how it gives you just a really nice natural definition? It's not too harsh, it's not too warm, it's just perfect. So you get a nice mix of warm and cool tone shades in this palette. So I'm gonna take that on the other side. And I'm just doing a soft wash of this color. I don't wanna spend too much time with it because it will intensify. And I'm trying to just have a nice soft depth right here. But these shades are buildable. So if you want to create a really dramatic, deep look with this, you totally can. But it's just enough to give you the perfect soft definition. So now that we have that washed on, then I'm gonna take Toasty. You gotta take Toasty in the crease. I'm gonna use the same brush because I just wanna wash on first, and then I'm gonna deepen it up when I get closer. So this is gonna give you that nice warm, caramel latte kind of a look. These mattes are our usual mattes that we make. They're very creamy, easy to work with. They work well with other colors, and the color payoff is always so amazing, yet buildable. I'm gonna go in with more Toasty right in here. And then I'm gonna take this first brush that we used, make sure there's no extra product on it, and then I'm just gonna go over really softly to soften this edge. The next color I'm gonna pick up is my favorite color from this entire palette. It's the same color I had on in our photo shoot. It's a beautiful purple. I'm gonna take Chill and pop that right on the lid. And I just want it to go over the entire lid. So now that I have Chill all over the lid, I love this pop. You see how it's like holiday, but it's not like green and red. It's just a soft version, cozy. You feel the vibes? Then I'm gonna take Messy Bun and create a wing with that color. And this is the more dramatic shade. You can use it in the crease, in the outer V, or as a liner. Or you could just do it all over the eye, and that looks really good. This purpley gray is perfect for a smoky eye. To create that wing, I'm using the Blade, the DSO1 brush from Dominique Cosmetics. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the Dominique Cosmetics Crease Blur brush, and I'm gonna pick up Toasty and take it right on the lower part of the lash line. I love this brush for the lower lash line because it just blends it. It blends that area, which is always so hard to reach, like a pro. You don't really have to do much. It just kind of feathers everything out. It's so nice. You don't even have to try. It just does it. The next color I want to use right on the lower lash line is the purple. I'm going to take a little bit of chill, but I'm going to use a little bit more of a dense brush. So I'm going to take the Packer brush, and this is the DSO2, and just pick up a little bit of chill. Put it right on the lower lash line. Because it's more dense, it's going to be more concentrated in one spot. So right there and right here. This is one of those shades that just looks great on every eye color. It really makes every eye color stand out, whether you have blue eyes, brown eyes, hazel, green. It just really makes them stand out. I'm gonna take the crease blur and work that back into the lower lash line just because I want everything to be really nice and soft. And I just want this part to have that line there. I actually want it to have that little curve. So that is the eye look. Super easy, very quick. And now I'm just gonna put on some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back for the lips. All right, so I am back with lashes, and now we're gonna get into the lips. So in the collection, we have a mini liquid lip right here. This is a matte mauve color. Her name is Cozy, and she looks great with messy bun, also looks great with all the neutral tones in the palette. I'm not gonna use this color with the purple today, but I am gonna use this one. This is Sugar and Spice. So Sugar and Spice is a warm nude with gold flecks, and this is a gloss shade. I'll show you a swatch of this little guy right here. So for this, I'm gonna use a neutral lip liner and this really pretty gloss. Ooh, and the gloss smells so good. It smells like all the rest of our glosses, which are that angel food vanilla cupcake kind of a scent, and it's so hydrating and amazing. It's a sheer gloss, but it's buildable, and it's perfect to layer over lipsticks or alone. It gives you a nice, pretty color, and it just matches with everything. I absolutely love this color. It is one of my favorites. I kind of want to show you, even with this look, what the liquid lip would look like. I feel like you guys want to see that. But this is like my completed look that I'm going to wear at the end of this video. I actually just want to show you what the liquid lip looks like, because I would want to see, even though, you know, I want to use a different color. Such a pretty gloss, and it smells amazing. All right, so we're gonna put this on. This is Cozy. You can line and then fill in. Now with this, you could just go really lightly and then just add a little bit and feather it out. I really love the feathered out kind of look. Or you can create a structured matte bold look. And that's what that color looks like. And this is what they look like together. You're gonna layer them. Just warms up the color a bit, and it shears it out. You can get the best of all three worlds, but I'm gonna go with the first lip, and that is my final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're as excited as I am about this sweater weather inspired collection. It is literally everything I love. And somebody said in the comments on Dominique Cosmetics, I was reading through them, she's followed me for a while, and if she knows any better, this is a sweater weather collection. And I was like, girl, you know me so well. So well. I'm so excited for you guys to try her. All the information will be below, so if you want to see where it's gonna be, how much it's gonna be, where do you get it, can I buy it, I got you. And if you haven't checked out these two videos on the side, they are hanging out, just waiting for you to watch them, so go and check them out right now. Also, if you have been waiting for another video from Caesar and I on our family channel, I have been waiting too. We just have had the craziest 2 weeks of our lives, and honestly the craziest couple months, because I feel like it's been like a month and a half or so since we've done a video, but we are planning on doing more videos together, and we definitely have a lot more things to talk about on the couple therapy side, and we plan on doing so much more, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't seen my second channel, it is Dominique Fam, so go check it out, subscribe, and yeah, be a part of the fam. I love you guys, and if you haven't heard this today, you are beautiful, you can do anything, I believe in you. Have an amazing day. I love you so much. Bye, dollies.